Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box by Fashionsta. This is October's box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived. I think I was supposed to get it Monday or Tuesday, but then there was a delay in shipping. You know how it goes with me. That's just my luck. But now I received it, and I'm so glad to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Again, this is for October. I did remove the mail. They have the mailing label go all the way up to the top. That's how they secure their box. So I removed my entire mailing label, and that's what's left. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what this month brings us. So we have the cards, and then it says the box in the tissue paper. I like their colors with the black and white. I just like the way that that looks. And if you guys don't know, this box is only $19.99 a month with free shipping. I just tried to look right now, and it looks like they closed new subscribers right now, but I think at the end of the month or the beginning of the month, they open it for so many. So you can follow my link down below, and you can put in your information to be put on the list. So as soon as they open it up, they'll send you an email, and you can hurry up and grab your spot. This is now my third box, and for $20, well, $19.99 and free shipping. So far, I am not complaining because this seems like it's a really good box, especially for the price point, you guys. Like, you can basically say $20 a month. And like on their site, I think it says it's like the cost of like 3 or 4 lattes at a coffee place. So let's get it started. Once you move all the squiggles, that's what it looks like inside. And ooh, I see a product that I love. So let's get in here and get that one out first. This guy right here. If you guys know, I've already done a review on this product. If you want to know what my opinion is, that's on my channel. This is by Teamy Blends, and I get their teas. I have their tumblers. I have their pitcher. I have this. I have their toning butterfly face mist. I even have their green detox blend, and I'm not kidding. They're literally sitting right here because I still have reviews to do on these two, but I did finish my review on this. So I love this serum. I've already repurchased it, I think 2 different times. So I'm so glad to get now. I have a backup to the one I'm currently using. And this is tea infused hibiscus vitamin C. And I love this. It smells so good because it's a nice light citrusy smell. And it makes my skin feel so amazing. Ooh, this is a different color. Mine, which they do them in different batches, so the color variation might change from batch to batch, which is fine, or they might have changed their formula a hair. But the other 3, now because I'm on my 3rd one from them, it's like a light peachish color, not like this bright pink, but no problem. Like I said, it's made in small batches, so the color variation could change from batch to batch, but that is what it looks like. And let me make sure it still smells nice and citrusy, because that's what I love about this stuff. Yes, yep. It still smells exactly the same. It feels exactly the same. So it's just the color variation, which is fine. I don't mind. I like it looking pink better because it matches the box. But I love this stuff. And this is like $40-something in itself. Does it say on here? Oh, yes. Now, my total box is $157.50. Holy moly. This right here is the hibiscus infused vitamin C serum, $45. And like I said, I've already purchased this a few times, so I do know that that is the correct price. So there's that. It's already starting off amazing because, again, it's only $20. And that product alone makes this entire box for me, because now I don't have to go and spend $40-something to get a backup. I got it in this box, you guys. All right, so next we have is Everyday for Everybody Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm. Pawpaw and acai something and peppermint for dry bits, paraben free. Flake no mo. Flake no mo. What is this? This is Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm, $15. Club BFF is your ride or die kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is a paraben-free balm formulated with papaya, antioxidant, rich acai, I don't know, sunflower seed oil, and soybean germ extract that moisturizes your lips. Okay, so it's for your lips and other body bits. Guess you could call it a friend with many benefits for all skin types. Moisturizes your lips and other body bits. Your friend with many benefits. What other body bits would you put this on? Apply liberally to dry areas. Reapply as needed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. This nifty little rescue balm has got your back, baby. Huh. So there's the actual packaging. So I guess it seems like it would be meant for your lips, but you can use it on other bits. That's different. So let's see. So it just comes out the top and it's like it's a balm for your lips and other bits. All right, so I'm getting the little pepperminty going on. I'm feeling it. Okay, so that's $15. That's $45. So far we're already in $60 value. Next we have is this big old guy. This is a Sigma F89 Baked Kabuki. There's that. And this is F89. Let me go ahead and open this up. I like Sigma brushes, so I'm so glad to see one in here. I'm like really excited actually. All right, so let me cut the tape here. All right, now I can get her out. This is nice and little hefty. It has a little bit of weight to it. And it says baked kabuki. And it has like that nice little line to it. It's shaped differently. I guess this is maybe what for like face powder. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, I like that. So this says press on setting powder to bake. So for setting powder. Cool. I like to know what they're for because sometimes I look at a brush and I'm like, what do you do? So at least I like that it tells me what it does. So the Sigma brush is $25. That alone, this brush alone is over this entire box, you guys. Keep your look perfect with this Sigmax fiber brush designed to pick up and press on setting powder. The angle gets close to contours. It is recommended to use this foundation face brush with powder products, perfect for full coverage. So that's awesome. This box, you guys, I am absolutely loving, and there's still items in here. So this says Jet Super Hydrating Skincare. Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. Gently dissolves makeup and impurities. Cactus fruit delivers antioxidants to protect the skin from aging and allow skin to restore vitality and appearance of youthful looking skin. So that's neat. This is right here. Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. This is $25. Curated with lip quenching oils and extracts, this formula is creamy and luxurious, allowing for a smooth glide upon application, hugging the lips for the most comfortable wear. I'm a little confused with the card terminology because this guy right here says curated with lip quenching oil and extracts. The formula is creamy and luxurious, allowing for a smooth glide upon application, hugging the lips for the most comfortable wear. This is a cleanser for your face. But it says Double Dare Oil to Foam Cleanser, $25. So I don't know if maybe my description is incorrect for this product, but this shouldn't be talking about hugging your lips. I don't know. I'm confused with that one. But either way, we have a cleanser. So next we have is Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint Duo. All right, so Girl Lactic. I just received a liquid Galactic eyeliner and I don't use liquid, so I put it in a future giveaway. So it's kind of cool to now actually get a Galactic product that I will use. So it's a double-ended lip paint. This is $26. The first original double-ended matte lip paint, a color-rich creamy formula that's weightless on the lips and delivers long-lasting coverage that's transfer-proof with no cracking or bleeding. Colors can be worn individually or as an ombre lip. Again, this is $26. So let's see what these colors are. So there's one. And that looks like that's Posh. And then this color looks like Allure. They look very similar in color. One just looks like it kind of has more of like a little bit of a brown hue to it. And the other one is more of like a red or a burgundy, but they look almost similar. So that's cool that you get 2 in 1. It's a twofer. So that's really neat. Let me get this. Let me get that off. I want to do the one that has the pink, so it would be an Allure. So let's do this one. So there's that. So I do like that, and those are really pretty colors. So I'm using the pinker one right now. Okay, so the last item in here is a palette. Oh my gosh, this is a whole lot of stuff for $19.99, you guys. A palette, a Sigma brush, a lip product, lip balm. This that I'm so excited to now have a backup, and then a cleanser. And now here's a palette. So there's that Leopardina, 12 eyeshadows and 4 highlighters. Ooh, so this is a twofer. You got 2 different things in there. Same thing there. Ooh, so there's a mirror. So there are the colors. I like that. That is really pretty. And these are colors that I actually like. And I like the fact that these are all mattes and then here are some shimmers. Because some palettes now are just giving you like all shimmers and I'm like, where's the mattes? So I really like that. Let me get my fingers in here. Okay, so here are the highlighters. Those are blinding. Those are amazing looking highlighters. And then here is the entire palette. Now, I can tell by the swatching, I had to go in several times with what I did do. They seem kind of like dry, like it's kind of hard to explain. Like the mattes down in here didn't swatch as good. So hopefully when I can dip my brush in there and get some of the powder and put on my eyes, it'll do better. But it just like right in here, like I tried to go down more and it's like it wasn't going. So it was just like it seemed a little dry. But these highlighters, look at that. Those are amazing. So I can't wait to actually try it with my brushes, put it on my face and see how it wears through the day. Palette's called Rude and it says makeup with an attitude. Makeup with an attitude. So I've never heard of this before. And this palette values, this is $21.50. We got this palette, you guys, a palette. We got this Sigma brush. We got the Galactic 2-in-1 dual-ended lip product. We have the balm and your other bits for dry areas. We have the Teamy Vite C, which I love this serum. And then we have the cleanser, oil to foam cleanser. This is an amazing box for $19.99. Again, I will link them down below. You can follow that link and you can put in your information to be on the list. So as soon as they open up, it seems like every month they're opening it up for a limited amount of time, which I think is a good thing because they're not just like letting anybody and everybody order and then them getting too bombarded with orders and not being able to complete them or do to their best ability. So I do appreciate that they're only taking on so much that they can chew at that time. So I do appreciate that. So you guys, again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. I'm really happy with this box. This is my 3rd month. I don't know if they auto renew. I try to look at my account to see because I only did 3 months. So I'm hoping it'll auto renew and I'll do another 3 months. If not, I'll have to reorder again. So I don't know if I'll have to get back in line or how that works. I'm not sure, but we'll soon figure that out. So comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.